YglWorld was established in 1993, originating as the IT and consulting arm of a chartered accounting firm founded in 1957. The accounting firm is operative till today. YglWorld was listed in Malaysia Stock Exchange in 2005. With a market capitalization of approximately 50 million, YglWorld is one of the largest Malaysian providers of ERP, Industry 4.0 and smart warehouse solutions in Malaysia. Our research and development center was the pioneer company in Malaysia to have attained ISO 27001 and CMMI Level 3 in our industry. We operate in Malaysia, mainland China, Hong Kong and Singapore. We have more than 1,000 customers worldwide, which include government, semi-government, MNCs and SMEs. We wish to create a world-class brand name out of Malaysia and be a responsible organization contributing to mankind and society. YglWorld is heading the Industrial Revolution 4.0 Committee in the Malaysia-China Business Council under the purview of Malaysia Prime Minister Department. We are the government-approved main supplier of Industry 4.0 solutions in Malaysia. We are the collaboration partner of Malaysia SME Corporation and Malaysia Productivity Corporation. We are the official training partner and solution provider of Negeri Sembilan State Skills Development Center (NSSDC) on smart manufacturing and smart warehouse solutions. YglWorld ERP 4.0 with its open architecture is flexible and highly adaptable. We own the intellectual property and source codes locally, and we are able to tailor-make the solutions to our customers' need. Our ERP 4.0 software integrates seamlessly with both in-house and global apps, and connect with smart machines and IIoT devices. Our solutions are world-class with pricing denominated in Ringgit Malaysia, thus rendering the maximum return on investments to our customers. Coming from the background of being the dominant resellers and implementation partners of the top 5 ERP vendors in the world for the last 20 years, we are able to build a world-class solution with international best practices, yet very user-friendly and quick to implement. We build our solutions for the Asian way of doing business. We also take pride in our solution very easily run by not-so-skilled staff. Having been built by chartered accountants coupled with 20 years experience in partnering the top 5 ERP vendors in the world, our finance and costing capabilities are unsurpassed. We are certified on Asian government indirect taxes such as GST, SST, and value-added tax and international accounting and reporting standards such as IFRS and MPERS. Helping over 1,000 organizations gone live since 1993, YglWorld has won many international and local awards. Our core value is commitment and integrity, contribute to mankind and society. Our vision is to digitalize our customers' business, empower our nation, and to green our Mother Earth. Our job is to help our customers to maximize their conversion of world resources into completed product. Our highly efficient solution integrates staff, owners, and business partners together under the common technological platform. Our solutions cut down the duplication of efforts and improve the efficiencies of human resources, who are the highest-ranking resource consumers in the supply chain of the world. Our mission runs deep in our blood. We take on our assignments and we make it work for our customers at all costs.